What's up, everybody? Chef Seymour here, and today is Season 2, Episode 1 of Cooking with Chef Seymour. So to start off Season 2, how about we make some peach bourbon French toast? The ingredients will be listed on the screen. You guys may be wondering, Chef Seymour, bourbon. Yes, everybody, bourbon. I will be having some assistance for my day.
Hello, Cooking with Chef Seymour fans. I'm David Seymour Sr., and I want you to know that we take parental responsibility seriously. And today there's an ingredient that requires adult participation. And so here it is. You see me handling the ingredients, and David did not touch it at all. Have a great day.
Now, let's make our peach topping. Pour 2 cans of drained peaches into a big bowl. Then you will need 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Make that 2 tablespoons. And then 2 tablespoons of white sugar. And finally, let's add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And then a half a tablespoon of cinnamon. Now, let's mix it up. Now, get a medium-sized saucepan and set your stove to medium. Once you feel the pot getting hot, add 1 tablespoon of butter. Let's add our peaches mixture. I'm gonna add a little bit more dark brown sugar because I want my peaches to be more darker. Now let's make our French toast batter. So first, take 2 eggs. One cup of milk. Then some cinnamon. And finally some vanilla extract. And then whisk it all together. And to thicken up our peaches while they're cooking in their own sauce, I've made a slurry. What a slurry is, it is water and cornstarch. So I'm going to add a little bit of our slurry mixture. And then I'm going to mix it up. Here, I have 2 slices of bread. We're going to dip our 2 slices of bread into our French toast batter. You want to make sure that you get the batter on both sides. Now you will need a big skillet, and then here I have another tablespoon of butter. Then I'm going to let it melt, and then we're going to add our French toast so it can cook. Here I have my 2 pieces of bread that have been dipped in the batter. Now I'm going to add them to our skillet. Cook until golden brown on both sides of the bread. To go along with our French toast, let's make some bacon. So here I have extra thick cut bacon in a lined baking sheet. You can place however many other strips you want on your lined baking sheets. I'm going to place 3. Now I have a new way of cooking my bacon. I like to cook my bacon in the oven. It gives you that perfect texture of chewy and crunchy. So now let's put our bacon into our 350 preheated oven, and let's cook our bacon for 15 minutes. And for our final side dish, let's make some eggs. So I'm going to take 2 eggs, so that's how many I would like. Now what I'm going to season my eggs with just a little simple salt and pepper. And here again I have my medium skillet, and I'm going to add our eggs, and then we're going to let them cook. Now let's play. So let's add our peaches. Now let's add our peach bourbon syrup. And fun fact, when alcohol touches heat, the alcohol substance that's in the alcohol is no longer there, so it is kid friendly to eat. And for a fun touch, before we do the final taste, let's add some powdered sugar. Now, let's try. Let's get a piece of our French toast. Tastes like peach cobbler. Now, our bacon. Nice chewy and crunchy. Finally, our eggs. I want to thank you all for joining me for Season 2, Episode 1 of Cooking with Chef Seymour. I love you guys, and